Hi there and welcome back to my channel. I'm incredibly excited to have you here with me today. In today's video, I will show you how to insert a checkbox in Microsoft Excel. The first thing you have to do is select all by clicking here, then make it bigger like this. Then create a table like this. Go to Home, then All Borders, as you can see. Now go to Developer tab here. If you don't say Developer tab here, click here, then go to Customize the ribbon, then check box for developer, then click OK. Another method, go to File, Option, Customize ribbon, then Developer. OK. Now go to Developer, Insert, Checkbox. Is there a checkbox here? Delete the name of the checkbox. As you can see, now apply for all like this. Here is the result.